a little bonus treat for you guys. Josh is going to talk a little bit about how does the KB system work? How do we start to buy a home?
Well, after you come and visit me, let's say this is a floor plan we're obsessed with. Easy to be obsessed with this house. We pick lot, make sure the floor plan's right, and then you still get to choose your elevation. And we're gonna show you, as far as the elevation, it's the design. You still get to pick the paint colors on the outside, the brick, the stone differences. It's awesome. Once we decide that, we're gonna want you to contract, because unlike other builders, once we contract, that just locks in the floor plan, the lot, and saying you're wanting to move forward to go through the loan process, just to see if we qualify, see what estimated payments would be. And that's awesome, because until you agree to those loan disclosures, earnest money is refundable.
Earnest money would be
right now it's $1,000.
Look at that, guys. You can get into this house. That's crazy. I've never heard that.
Yeah,
and $1,000 down earnest money just means that you want to lock this house in and get it started, right? So, but it's refundable, in two ways. If you decide you don't want this home, you get your money back, right?
Until you agree to loan disclosures.
Until you read the loan disclosures, then you're good. Or when you do close, that $1,000 gets credited back into the price of the home, right?
Goes towards down payment if you like.
You can use it towards down payment.
And great part about that is, so you contract on the house, you pretty much have said, Joshua, I want this house, I want this lot. Let me see if I can qualify. Let's look at estimated payments. My loan officer, another cool part about KB is our inside lending department. The best part about that is you're gonna work with that one person. I'm actually assigned to my amazing loan officer, Brian. Anywhere I go, he comes with me. So it doesn't matter where I sell the house, you're gonna work with him. He and I have worked together for a very long time. But the great part is you're not gonna call KBHS, which is our lender. Some random person's gonna answer the phone, I'm gonna have to look at your file, let me get the notes, like calling AT&T sometimes. It's Brian. He's gonna get to know you, the family, realtor.
It's a relationship.
Yes.
Relationship.
Built on relationships. And the wonderful process about that is, once you're done with that, you've agreed to loan. And then we're gonna move forward with sending everything off to permits and then building your home.
Okay.
Cool part about that, once you're done with the loan department saying, hey, this is my estimated payment depending on how much I put in the house, XYZ, then we're gonna send you to our design studio. I love that because they're salaried employees. They're not gonna benefit from getting you to get the most expensive.
It's an upsell. Yeah,
exactly.
It's not an upsell. It's not a timeshare, guys. You would have to, I'm not interested. Well, let me get the specialized manager who's going to give you a better deal. It doesn't work that way here.
They're just there to, whatever's up here, to get it out.
Right.
They want you to fall in love with your home. I mean, it's your home, not mine.
And you're picking your colors. You're picking your floor. You're picking your counter space.
Cabinets. Lighting.
Even the door, the entry door. You want an 8-foot door? Then it's there for you.
Handles.
Door handles.
Yeah.
I mean, believe it or not, that makes or breaks a home.
As long as it goes with it, and that's the really neat thing. The design people, they're gonna help you do that. Now, if you at the end of the day stomp your foot down and you're like, I want orange everything, they're not gonna tell you no.
Yeah, it's your style, guys. It's your style. I mean, if you want an orange house,
right.
Why not? KB has it, they'll give it to you.
Right.
But it's not a deal where you're gonna go in there and try to get upsold to upgrade your home. You already chose your home. You're already choosing your colors. You're choosing everything you need. So that next process is,
after you're done with the design studio, we've submitted everything to permits, and we're gonna build your home. You're gonna meet with the construction manager the second that we get the start date. They introduce themselves. They're meeting one-on-one with the homeowners or the buyers. And they get that relationship. Weekly, you'll hear from myself and my construction team on how the build is going. We encourage, come see your house, be safe about it, but it's your home. Take a look at it.
Yeah, pictures.
Yeah, and where you're gonna get photos throughout. We actually download the app. We send photos through the app. We actually have an app. And then we get closer to closing day. There's walks, there's all sorts of stuff, but we want you to be involved. It's your home.
And KB has their own title companies?
Partner with Alamo.
Okay, so they
our main office. Yeah.
So they're partnered with Alamo that's been around for a long time. Guys, you guys know me. I've been a realtor since 2004, and I've used Alamo Title since then. So they make sure that your home is deeded to you and you only, and not somebody else. So once you go to closing day, if I was looking to buy a home, And I would develop a relationship with the builder, the salespeople, the closers, the design center. That's a great way to buy a home, because you know you got what you wanted, and you know that you're not later going to find out bad things. You're going to know everything in front. And that's what I love about this. So
after you close, we're going to stop by at the 10 or 11 month, make sure everything's working properly. If there's anything that as a house settles, if drywall cracks, a nail pop, and you'll learn those terminologies throughout all the fun videos you'll do. We're going to come back and we're going to take care of it at the 10 or 11 month mark, because even then, at the end of the day, no matter where you buy or what home you buy, that first year you're going to brag to everybody.
Right.
But we want you to brag longer than that.
Of course.
And a lot of our customers are repeat. We're not their first home only. We're their second, we're their third.
Right.
The big houses, I mean, we go onward.
KB has the smallest house, which is you can buy a home for $208,000, to the largest houses is one of these, and it's starting point at $315,000 roughly. Make it your own, add a little more money to it, that's fine. You mentioned the warranties. So what kind of warranties does KB have for 7 years?
10-year structure foundation, that's a big one. I mean, foundations are known to move. We're expanding everywhere, so people building, on farmland 10 years ago, 20 years ago, that used to scare people, especially if you do it right. Major thing about KB that a lot of other builders don't do is they'll test lots. If it's a street and there's 10 lots, they'll test 1, 5, 7, and 10. Anywhere we're going to put a house, we're going to test that exact lot.
Right.
So, I mean, you're covered. And then heaven forbid, anything in that first 10 years, which average homeowner is 5 to 7 years in a house, you're covered for foundation.
I wish buying a car would be just as simple.
Yep.
After your 3 years or 5 years, you're done.
We don't third party our warranty. So if you call needing anything for our warranty, it's someone here in San Antonio that's going to answer. Hey, what's going on?
Okay.
It's pretty cool.
Wow. Well, guys, there you have it. You heard it from one of the pros out here. Come visit me in this website. Come check out Josh if you like, more information. His website's going to be on here as well. And let's have a tour. Let's come see this house. And if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to send me an email. Guys, thanks for watching the show, and we'll see you at the next one. Thanks.